Alright guys, today I come with you because I'm changing the strip here on my RV. As you can see, there are cracks already due to the Florida heat here. I will be taking this out. You can pretty much tell, like, if you press on it and it's very hard. I mean, this one's pretty much shot because of the cracks. So all you really have to do is you're gonna need to take a screwdriver and just start picking it, or you can kind of come from the bottom here and remove it. And as you can see, it will show the bolts here. And as you can see, it's just very easy to pull off. And then here's the new strip that we have all ready to go. And once we get ready, I'll bring it back to you and we'll show you how to install this. Here's our new strip for the trim here. It's the RV Designer. You can pretty much pick this up at any RV. We got ours at Camping World. It's the heavy duty insert trim 1-inch fitting. You open up the box and of course you got a 100-foot roll here. Alright, here's the new strip going in, and then what you will do is, starting from the top and work your way, you will kind of pinch this together to throw in this little lip right here. I don't know if you can really see it much. There's a lip right here that will insert right into here. And then you kind of just pinch it off right here. You just work your way down slowly and surely. And then you can see how it is starting to form in to cover those screws that were behind this. As you can see, I pretty much have done the whole RV. I'm coming down here to the end. It's very easy, just very time consuming, a little hard. But what you need to do is you need to try to get one side over here pushed in, and then just kind of just work it in to where it will start clamping in. It's very hard trying to video and do it as a one-man job. It's pretty much a two-man job. But if you can have two people doing it, it's very quick and easy. And I'll be right back towards the end of when I get to the bottom. Alright, now here we are at the end of it. As you can see, I'm finishing up. There's two ways that you can really do this. As you can see, you can either cut it right here, or you can give a little extra and just kind of have like a little caulking or something in the back here. I don't know if you can really see it very well, but you can just kind of throw the extra and just slide it back on the opposite side to where it glues in right in here. See if it will focus in. There we go. Just either way that you can do it will help seal the trim here so no water can get in. I forgot to point out this too, that if you look up there, that first screw right there actually had this bolted in. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of remove this screw, put this back on there, and then just screw this on there, and then use my black caulking right here that I got and just kind of seal it right around here back again. After removing the screw, don't worry about the caulking job. I mean, nobody does a perfect job unless you're a freaking professional. But that's pretty much what it looks like. The new trim is in, all brand new, sealed up from the top to the bottom.